Tonight we're going to have fresh rolls, and I'm going to make peanut sauce from Minimalist Baker's recipe. So let's get started. I am going to use, I'm doubling the recipe, so I'm going to use a cup of peanut butter. I have it all measured out, so we'll start with that. And then I'm also going to use 4 tablespoons of tamari or soy sauce, whichever you like, and 2 teaspoons of garlic chili sauce, and 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. We will mix that all up, and I'll see you when it's all